Right, thank you very much. Please come again. Okay. Next. Rosie. Step on up. Come on. Hey,
How you
what's
doing?
up, girl?
What's going on, Andrew?
Good to see you. I'm
Long
good.
time ain't see you.
I know. You been good?
Yes, yes. How's the family?
Oh, family's great. Everybody's fine. Everybody's wonderful. How's your family?
Yes, yes. They're still there.
You hear a phone ring?
Oh, yes, yes.
Sound like a house phone boy. That's funny.
I wonder who that called.
Yeah, guys are pretty good. Handsome.
Oh, wait.
Oh my God.
Hello?
Where's
Prudence? Prudence is you?
I
Girl, what you saying?
know.
What?
She come up.
What?
Hello.
Bobby butting you? Bobby butting you?
Hello.
Oh, Lord. Prudence, wait. Hold on. Prudence. Hold on a second. Hold on.
Rosie.
Is
$25.
One crisis at a time, please.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Excuse
Is
me.
there a problem?
Oh, there's a problem. We have my baby. How you talking on a house phone?
I ain't trying to buy stuff like you. Oh, no, he didn't try to take me.
This is not your car.
What you said?
Hello, let's go.
Excuse you.
Vámonos.
Prudence.
Come on, man.
Which precinct?
Rosie.
Can it look like you're about to catch a case?
Rosie.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Hello, let's go.
Yes.
$25.
25.
Vámonos. Hello.
Okay.
No, you know what?
Okay.
I'm going.
Hold on a second. Why can't a lady just take a call? Take a call on her dial iPhone. Huh?
Oh,
Huh? Is it a problem?
Yes.
When we want to go home, it is. Prudence,
Esta no es tu casa.
call me.
This is not your kitchen.